안녕! I'm going to make one of Korean side dishes, mung bean sprout side dish, 숙주나물. Basically, side dishes are very important in Korean food culture. Rice is the main dish and it has a lot of carbohydrates, so people need to absorb essential nutrients from the side dish. That's why Korean cuisine has many kinds of side dish, especially namul, seasoned vegetables. 숙주나물 has very crunchy texture and the smell of sesame oil is a kind of charming point. It's easy, so let's set the table. You will need half pound 250 gram mung bean sprouts, chopped 1 green onion, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. First, bring water to a boil for blanched mung bean sprouts. When it boils, blanch the mung bean sprouts for 1 minute. Stir the mung bean sprouts. This is the important part. If it's boiled too much, then mung bean sprouts lose crunch texture. After 1 minute, rinse in cold water for 3 to 4 times. Shake them under the water to fold the skins. Put the cleaned mung bean sprouts in a basket and drain well. And then it's time to make seasoning sauce. Put chopped green onion, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon sesame seeds in a bowl and mix well. Add mung bean sprouts in a bowl and mix by hand to season evenly. Taste it and season to taste if necessary. Move them to serving plate. It's done! 잘 먹겠습니다. Crispy and crunch texture is so good and it really fits on rice. And you can make bibimbap using this 숙주나물. Actually, it's not the basic way, but bibim means mix. So that means you can mix any vegetables with rice and red pepper paste. So just put 숙주나물 on rice and add some red pepper paste and sesame oil. And I have fried egg as well. Woohoo! And put it on. And mix well. My mouth is watering. Okay, let me taste. Oh yeah, it's awesome. Today I made mung bean sprout side dish, 숙주나물. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please, it helps me a lot. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.